Alright, it is the second snowstorm within a week, and this is actually the second half of that second snowstorm, because it stopped about before we woke up this morning, and now it's been coming down again on a lighter, fluffier snow for a couple hours now, and it's not going to stop until probably 10 o'clock tonight. So basically we're going to get double what we had already on the ground, maybe even more than double. Look at the trees. It's a really thick, nice, fluffy snow that sticks to the trees really nice. Now up in there in the branches and all over the trunk. And there's Angus, having fun in the snow. But I was about to attempt to start up the snowblower, but looks like it's going to be kind of futile. So I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow morning. Diane's is going to have to wait until it's all straightened out before she can get to work. Here's your puppy dog. Hello, Angus. You look like Chewbacca and Hoth. Isn't it fun? Angus. There he is. There's your puppy dog. Angus. Angus. Look at me. There you are. Doing-de doing-de-doing. Yeah, the snow is really coming down. And he's enjoying it. This is the second trip out. Playing in the snow. Oh, don't pull, Angus. Don't pull. Come on. That's what you look like, Angus. You look like Chewbacca. Alright, puppy. Yeah, it's really coming down pretty good. Yeah, it's coming down good. You see it all over the place. Angus, don't pull too hard. Come on. Don't you want to come play? Is it too deep? Yeah. I think we got about 18 inches on the ground now. Both storms total right now. Probably going to get another 5 or 6 inches. Practically blizzard / whiteout conditions. So you can see it all over the tree. Makes for pretty scenery though. Alright, Angus, easy. There's Mommy! There she is, up in the window.
Oh my God.
Yes. Can you believe it?
I can hear freezing rain in too.
Yeah, there's a little bit of the ice particles or whatever you want to call it, sleet.
I'm a little worried about this branch here.
This one above me?
Yeah, the one that comes over our power line.
I can try and shake the snow off.
Yeah, you might want to.
That tree over there, that one with the red, the green leaves, do you think that might be a cedar over there? Yeah, all the branches are really bowing under the snow.
This is worse than it was earlier.
Yeah, I know.
Who wants to go in?
Alright, Angus, you want to go in? Alright, puppy dog, we're going to go in.